Hello everyone, I'm Fan here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do you make these almost realistic train animations in your mobile. Now before we get in, I just want to know you that you need a middle-range flagship phone or an iPhone with more than 6 GB of RAM or an high-end processor or something like that. Unless you have a really strong PC. So let's dive in without any further questions. First, get the model. I will put a link in the comments to how to get them easily, but remember, only Collada files you have to download or otherwise it's not going to work. Second, this is the most important step. Click on modeling, then double click on the model, press the screen on the background, swipe down and cover the whole model. Go to sides and do the same thing. It may lag or crash your phone. Finally, delete the model and press the undo button. Select light to directional and it's done. Unfortunately though, you have to do the same thing on the text and logos of the model. This also applies to rolling stock. You also have to darken the colors and add reflection like this. Third, go to export, store model and name it whatever you want. Then make a new project and import the model. Then add a train track, either you can get it in Sketchfab or you could make it yourself. Then add a plane, go to material and set color to dark green, like this. Select size and spread it. Now, the animation. First click on camera and set it at any angle you want. Now remove the model away from the camera and do as I shown. Then select the model and click on the blue plus icon on the bottom right corner and do as I shown. Finally, the blue sky. Get a plane, go to material, select textures and click on plus and import the sky as I shown. Click on this icon and congratulations, you just made a simple train animation. You could also add some environments like trees and buildings, all available in Sketchfab. Now thanks for watching.